So this is a little bit more of a modern take on 50s casual wear. You notice the skirt goes out, it's emphasizing the hips, it comes up high and emphasizes the waist. It hits right about the knee. I'm wearing the pumps with it, definitely high heels. I'm wearing the earlier pumps, the ones I showed you from the earlier part of the 50s. And this is a basic shirt that emphasizes the waist because it's tucked in. It would definitely be tucked in the 50s because the waist is really the all-important part. And this would be a much more casual look. It's in cotton, it's not a dress. This would be sort of something maybe that you could wear every day that would evoke the 50s. That might not be exactly the style that they were wearing at the time. One other piece. This is a sweater. And the cut of the sweater and actually the beading on it is very, very 50s. It's a shorter sweater, which means it's going to emphasize the waist again. And this is the kind of thing that you could wear today if you wanted more of a retro look, but didn't want to look necessarily as old-fashioned as you might before. You can see that it's short and it matches what we're doing here. And this is sort of reminiscent of the sweater set that they would wear in the 1950s.